If you need to reset your Bluehost website, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you exactly what to do step by step. So let's dive in. So directly from your home page, we're going to go and click on websites, and here we'll be able to reset our website by simply going and looking for the website here on the main page, and we're going to click on edit site. Now this clicking on edit site will take us to this page. Okay, this is your WordPress Bluehost account. So on the left you'll see a few options, and you'll go all the way down to plugins. And let's click on add new plugin. Over here we are going to look for WordPress Reset. The app or the plugin that you're looking for is this WP Reset. The logo is 2 arrows. This is the one. It works very well. You're going to click on install now. Now once you have clicked on install now, you can click on activate. This will now activate this plugin, and you'll be prompted also to potentially upgrade if you would like to upgrade, which will give you a couple more options. But for now, we are going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and we are going to look for the WP Reset over here, and we're going to click on Open WP Reset Tools. Again, you are going to be prompted to upgrade, but for now, we don't need that. We're going to go all the way down this page, and you're going to get to site reset. And over here, you are going to type in reset. Once you've done so, you can click on reset site. You can see here that here are a few options that you can tick off. And once you've done so, your site will be reset.